Science Sneak Peek. This week, some of our site supervisors received training from NASA. This was training on a program that we'll be implementing next year for some of our older students. Included are some pictures of our process and video. The experiment involves using breadboard, wire, light sensors, and air sensors to measure the CO2 in our makeshift astronauts' helmets. It also involves programming, coding, and other tubes and wires. Over the 2-day training, NASA showed us how to put everything together as well as use the block coding in order to turn on and off the sensors. This is our code here. You'll see we're testing out the CO2, and our goal is to get those green lights to have one of them turn red. Our first try here was not successful, and neither was our second. We were getting reads on the sensors, but we weren't able to get the light to change. So we were thinking it was something involving our coding and the threshold levels for the CO2. With a bit of help from the NASA trainers and some more experimenting, we were eventually able to get the experiment to work and measure the CO2 and get the lights on the light sensor to change to show which helmet had CO2 levels, high CO2 levels, and which did not. We are excited to do this experiment with the kids next year.